How to use dwell control in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on the Accessibility option. Here, scroll to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Now, tap on Assistive Touch at the very top of the screen. On this page, scroll down and tap the toggle switch next to Dwell Control to turn it on. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to customize your menu. Tap on Customize on the pop-up menu. You will be taken to the Customize top-level menu screen, where you can see that the Dwell icon has now been added. You can now tap on the Assistive Touch floating button and find the newly added Dwell option. Tapping on it, you can now use its features like Tap, Resume Dwell, and more. Following these steps, you can easily use Dwell Control on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.